And now it is near, so I face the final curtain. My friends, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, for which I am certain. I live, the life is full, I traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and I saw it through without exception. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I've been off more than I could chew. But through it all, there was no doubt I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I loved, I laughed and cried, I had my fill, my share of losing, and now that tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and I might say not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. What is a man? What has he got, if not himself, that he is not to say the word he truly feels, and not the word of no one who kneels. The record shows I took the blow and did it my way. The record shows I took the blow